Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable Read Committed Snapshot Isolation level in SQL Server. This isolation level helps to reduce blocking and deadlocking issues by allowing readers to access the last committed version of a row without being blocked by writers. First, we can check if a Read Committed Snapshot is already enabled for our database. In my case, it is, because I'm running on Azure SQL database. This will also work for your managed instance. If it's not enabled, we can enable it with these two commands. If these take a while to run, you may have a lot of active transactions running, so please try to do this during your maintenance window. If you don't care about your users' data, you can alter your database with this command with an immediate rollback where users will lose their data. You can then set it back after you've run these commands with the set multi-user. If your database happens to be a mirror, you first have to set partner off, then run all the above commands, and then you can set your partner up again. That's it. You've successfully enabled Read Committed Snapshot Isolation level in SQL Server. Thank you for watching.